on them. Sure.
Dikeh, this one that both of you are here. Any latest development?
Not really. But there's something that Dikeh told me, and I saw reasons with him. That's why we are here to rub minds with you.
Dikeh, what is it?
You see, I woke up this morning. Something came to my mind that we should do. And I decided to discuss it with Okonta. And he saw reason with what I said. Makanasi mbosikbe. Odiki homa danelu.
Eji asino ofonu ugu ki dideja one.
So I suggest we meet the council members so that when we take action, it will not appear as if we did not tell them.
You have a point here. Though they will not say they don't know what is happening. But if you people insist that we must see them, then no problem. We'll talk to them. Amaka agasina na gini medi. But going to tell them, are you saying that they are not aware of what is happening? They are aware. But just for formality, we can go and talk to them. Talk with them. So let's go and talk to them.
Okay.
So in that case, let me just, have my complete
so
I will go.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right.
Fellow elders from one kingdom. You have all heard what Ufele, Dikeh, and Okonta said.
If I say I am not aware of this, that makes me a liar. I knew how Ufele here fought me when I was about to be crowned the owner of this kingdom. Because I told him what the king said was true. The Umwezemba community are strangers in this land and can never produce an Onowu. The Onowu title is a second-class citizen of this kingdom. If any of you agrees to what Igwe and I decided, let him say something. None of you has anything to say. And the Banya say, Obalankete, Wadekwe, Ufele, Okonta, Dikeh, the elders of Umwana Kingdom are speaking in one voice, and there's nothing we can do. You are free to make your decisions. It's either you stay or you leave.
And what if I tell you that I'm not in support of your decision? What you people are doing is wrong. Very wrong. Where are your conscience? So it is now that you know that Ezemba family are strangers. It's now you know. When they were paying all the community levies for this community, spending their hard-earned money for the development of this community and other things, you didn't know they were strangers. I am disappointed in you people. Yes, I am disappointed. And count my family and I out of this. We are not in support. Let me remind you people. The Igwe and you people are not the ones who accepted Ezemba family into this community. Their father, Ezemba, and our forefathers had an agreement. That agreement made them to become members of this Omona kingdom. And now you think you can distort that. I will not be part of it. And let me warn, do not start any battle you don't know how and when it started. And again, if none of you will not talk to the Igwe, I, Okezie, will do that myself. I will do that myself. Or better still, I will remove myself from the cabinet. Yes. I cannot be a member of a cabinet where its members will see what is black and call it white. Nonsense.
Well, elders of Omona Kingdom, the king's decision is final. Yes. And so shall it be.
And
no more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom.
My love,
What are you doing in my room?
You
want to talk to me?
Yes.
My friend, can you move back? What the hell is wrong with you? Huh? You want to talk to me and you're coming to enter my body?
I'm sorry, my love.
What sort of disrespect is that? Okay. What is it?
My love, what have I done to you? What have I done to you that you don't like seeing me around you? Since I moved into this palace, you've not touched me as your wife to be. Do you want to kill me? Do you want me to die? I know you hate seeing me around you, but please give me the chance to prove my love to you. I don't sleep at night. I'm always awake thinking about you. Please, my love, just give me the chance, just little chance. I will prove my love to you.
Are you done?
For now, I'm done.
I need to tell you what you need to hear. I don't hate you. I don't. The truth is, I barely know you. We just met. As a matter of fact, my parents imported you into this palace. And that's all I know about you. Alright? And all of a sudden, you love me. Things don't work that way. You have to meet with someone, have a relationship with them, then you can fall in love with them. You don't just love people without any connection. Okay? I find it funny.
Believe me, I do. I love you. The very first day I moved into this palace and saw you, I developed the love. I love you, my prince.
According to what you just said, you met me the very first time you saw me, right?
Yes.
And you fell in love with me.
Exactly. Yeah.
The love developed.
Yes.
Okay. I've heard you. I'll think about it and I'll get back to you. How about that? But if you ask me, I'll suggest you go back to your parents. If I need you, I'll send for you. It's as simple as that.
I want to be close to you.
You want to be close to me?
Yes.
Okay, you can be close to me, but definitely not in my room.
I want to be here with you, in this room. Yes.
Excuse me?
Yes.
You want to be here with me?
Yes, in this room.
In my room?
Yes, my prince.
Hold on. You want to be where?
In this room with you, your room.
Are you joking or something?
I'm not joking.
Hold on. Stay where you are. Don't come close to me. I just asked you to leave, right? So that's an order. Just leave.
I want to leave.
Don't come close to me.
I want to leave. I want to be close to you.
Okay, now this is not funny.
I want to be close, please.
Are you alright? Are you out of your mind? What the hell is wrong with you? Don't listen. Move back. Don't. Hey, stop! Hey, stop it! Hey!
Your Majesty, what I'm saying is that you should stop treating the Ezemba family like that. These people have done you nothing. I want you to remember that when you wanted to give the Onowu title to Ichie Okadike, I kicked against it. That you should give it to Ichie Ufele because it's his right. But you wouldn't listen. You went on and gave it to Okadike. Now these people are threatening to leave the kingdom and relocate in another community. I also want you to remember that you are not the Igwe who accepted these people into this community. So I advise you not to do something that will bring war between you and the gods.
Shut up! How dare you? How dare you? How dare you vomit all this nonsense in my palace? If not that you are a member of my cabinet, I would have asked the guards to flog you mercilessly like a schoolboy. Now, get out. Get out of my palace. Get out!
Your Majesty, well, I have spoken. Yes, and let the gods of our land hear my voice. And I also want to tell you that if you continue to deny Ezemba family their right, I and my family will be out of this game. And henceforth, I will cease to be a member of your cabinet.
Get out. Get out of my palace.
The rich doesn't care.
Get out! Get out!
How the poor fares.
Guards!
Everybody's fighting for right.
Who hear that? Okonta. Now that almost all the elders are on the side of Igwe, what next?
Rolling.
Say 135 seals they go.
Then ask me out of the palace. Igwe, send for them and find a way to bring them back. Igwe, it's okay. Because the death has not visited your family.
Igwe, Ichoke here is right. Igwe, please try and do something so that this mysterious death and calamity will stop in this our kingdom.
Now I don't get it. I don't get it anymore. It's a kind of conspiracy.
Igwe, no one is conspiring against you. Okay, conspiring. Okay. Igwe, no one is conspiring against you.
Oh, you have gone to the house of the chief priest because I am because I don't get it anymore. I am so disappointed in the way you reason. How can men?
My queen, I'm tired. I'm tired, yet. If your son doesn't want me to be his wife, he should tell me so that I will go back to my parents' house. Can you imagine a whole prince of Omona kingdom sitting and laughing with a common palace maid in Chioma?
What?
And when I corrected my husband to be, he insulted me in front of that stupid smelling girl Chioma, my queen. My queen, I'm not going to take this anymore. I'm not.
Daughter, it's okay, please. Just calm down. I promise you I will handle it. You are going nowhere. You are my son's wife, whether he likes it or not. I promise you that. Very soon you'll start enjoying your husband. And as for that slow life Chioma, I think she is flying more than her wings. Don't worry, I have told you to leave everything. Just leave everything for me. My son is your husband. Just calm down. I will handle it. Okay? Relax.
My queen, are you sure of what you're saying? Because me, I'm fed up. I'm tired. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Don't you trust me again? I am very sure. I assure you. I promise you that. You are my son's wife, okay? Now give me a smile.
Okay.
Give me a smile.
So I'm the prince's wife.
Yes.
Mom, what is it? Come on, I'm not a child. Don't pull me like that.
Must you insult Lovett your wife to be? Just because of Chioma? A common palace maid? Eh? Now listen to me. You will have to go and apologize to her. She has been crying all this while. What is wrong with you?
Mom, you literally pulled me in here because of Lovett. So Lovett is the reason. I didn't insult her, she insulted herself.
What did she do?
Mom, sit down.
I'm seated.
Chioma came to me in private. She pleaded on behalf of Lovett. Yeah, I was as surprised as you are. She came to me and asked me to marry Lovett. She said good things about her. In fact, she said Lovett is a very good girl, that I should marry her. We were still having the conversation, and Lovett walked in and rudely asked her to leave, that she's just a common palace maid. What gave her the effrontery to say that? Who the hell does she think she is?
You mean Chioma was talking on behalf of Lovett?
100%.
It's okay. My son, don't worry. I will talk to her, okay? It's alright, my son. It's okay. Please come and sit. I'm sorry for everything. I didn't know before. You know what I'm going to do? I am sorry the way I acted. Please forgive me. I will talk to her, okay? I will talk to her. But you still have to talk to her too. Pamper her. Pet her. Make her to understand. Yes.
Mom, you need to stop right now. And point of correction. She's not my wife to be. You need to stop giving her that impression. Okay? Let's call it spade a spade. I have a woman in my life, a woman I love, a woman I want to be with. So let's stop the games, please.
A woman better than Lovett? That is not possible.
Okay, let's wait and see.
Don't dare me.
I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, don't be waiting I want to, mama. Weapons stainless, don't be waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, don't be waiting I want to.
So uncle,
Where is Amobi and Ngozi?
Oh, they went to the farm. I sent them to go and sell all that we have in that farm because we're about to embark on a journey.
To sell off everything?
Yes.
I don't understand. What journey are you talking about?
There's a problem, oh, my daughter. There's a serious problem. Honestly speaking, I cannot take that nonsense. I can't.
What happened?
Good. I remembered that your late father, my brother, told you how we came into this community. How we came and nationalized in this community. Good. So, but the thing is no longer working. It's no longer working. You see, their tradition here is when an Onowu dies, another Onowu from another Omonna will take over. It is turn by turn. This present Igwe keep on denying us of the right of producing an Onowu. I don't understand him. This Igwe, this present Igwe, denied them of their right of producing an Onowu, and all of them died. Now it is my turn. He now gave it to Ichie Okadike, which is wrong. And I don't want to die. When I confronted the Igwe, do you know what he told me? He said that we are strangers in their community, that we don't have rights to occupy such positions. I was a kind of, in fact, I don't know what to say. I said, so you are now seeing us as strangers after all we have contributed in this community. My dear, I don't want to die. He even went ahead telling us that if we are not satisfied with it, that we can relocate to another place. Yes.
This is serious. So what do you want us to do?
No, just go home, get ready, so that we leave.
Uncle, I understand though, but I'm working now. What about my job?
Yeah, you are talking about job. When we get to that place, you get another job. Job is everywhere.
It's not that easy now. It's not that easy.
No, let me ask you, Chi, do you want Igwe to be treating us like a slave, or do you want me to die?
I will think about it.
My dear, nothing to think about. Just go home, get your things ready, so that anytime I call you, we move. Nothing to think about. You know?
Okay. Tell Amobi and Ngozi that I came.
It's all right. I will tell them.
Bye.
Just be very careful, oh? You know, Igwe trying to of all we have contributed in this community. Huh?
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. Let's not forget.
Hey! Come here. Come here.
Greetings, my queen.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see my sick uncle.
And you did not bother to inform me or anybody in the palace before leaving?
I'm sorry, my queen. That won't happen again.
It better not happen. Because I will not take it lightly with you. One more thing. Stay away from my son's relationship. Stop interfering. Trauma or whatever you call yourself. You are causing problem in their relationship. Who do you think you are? How dare you? Who are you to advise my son on how to go about his relationship? Trauma, I will not warn you again. This is the second time I'm warning you. But I will not warn you again. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful.
My queen, I was only...
Have you made dinner?
No, my queen.
My friend, will you go and prepare dinner?
The rich doesn't care how the poor fares. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the poor fares. Everybody's fighting for right. Let's not forget that the world is turning around.
Why are you here all by yourself? What is the problem?
Is that witch Tochiba? It's Tochi again, right? Tell me, what has she done this time around?
Honestly, Njideka, I can't think straight anymore. My head is banging.
It's written all over your face that there is trouble, so what is it?
I went to see my uncle, Ichiofele. I told you, right?
Yes, you did. What happened?
Okay, so to cut the long story short, my family, Umoizemba, is having issues with the Iwe, over which clan would become the Onowu. And it's actually our turn to become the Onowu. The Igwe said that we are strangers, that we're settlers, that we can't become the Onowu. And then my uncle called to tell me that we are leaving this community. That's the thing.
It's a lie.
Honestly.
This is very serious. So, where are you planning to relocate to?
I don't know. That's not just it. When I got to this palace, the queen called me and she started scolding me that I should never interfere in his son's relationship with the wife-to-be. And honestly, the only thing I told the prince was that he should try and love the wife, love and respect her. That's all. I mean, did I do anything bad?
I did not do anything bad. I just don't know. But anyway, that's not the problem. The main issue here now is your family. What are you going to do?
Jideka, I really don't know. I already told my uncle to give me time to think about it.
Time to think about it. Well, if I'm to advise you, I will say you follow your family to wherever they are going to.
Let's not forget that the world is turning around. Nobody have right to deprive me of my destiny. Turn by turn, turn by turn, don't deprive me of my right. What God says stands.
You called for me.
Yes, I sent for you. I'm off to London tomorrow morning. I wanted to inform you. But it is between you and I. No one else has to know. Although I intend to talk to my parents about it this evening. It has to be between us. I'll be away for 1 year and 6 months.
Oh, it's okay, that's fine. You sure you don't want to tell your parents about it? And your wife as well?
That's what I want. Although I intend to speak to my parents about it, but I'll have to decide first. Well, that's by the way. I'll be away for 1 year and 6 months.
Okay. I wish you a safe journey.
That's all? That's it? You're not going to tell me you're going to miss me?
I expected you to say you would miss me, because a year and 6 months is a long time.
I will miss you.
Give me your hand. This is my royal bead. Do you have any idea what it means to wear my royal bead? It means no one else can touch it or take it away from you. Here's some money in case you need to buy anything. I promise to keep in touch with you once I get to London. And in case you need anything else, don't hesitate to tell me.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoya Bobby one.
Come here.
I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, no be waiting I want to, mama. Weapons stainless, no be waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, no be waiting I want to, mama. Only beauty, no be waiting I want to, papa.
Dad, I got an emergency call. I have to be in London first thing tomorrow. I have to sign some papers at school. It's very important.
Very well. At least thank God you got the information. That means I will have to transfer some money to your account, so that before you get to Lagos tomorrow.
I'd appreciate that.
Okay, all right. Your mom is already asleep, but I will tell her, when I get upstairs, and find a way to tell your betrothed that you are traveling tomorrow morning, because she'll be worried. We'll keep talking on phone so that I'll be updating you on how she's coping, how she's adjusting to royal life, and all that. If you want us to see her family before you come back, find out, there's no problem. I can handle it, so that you are rest assured that she's yours and yours alone.
Dad, I just wanted to inform you that I'll be going to London tomorrow. Okay, so it has nothing to do with... You know what? Never mind.
Okay, listen, no problem.
Good night.
All right, good night, son. Good night.
My love. My love, good morning. My love, good morning. Good morning, my love. My love, are you in there?
Why is the bed like this?
I can't find any of his things. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Oh, Your Majesty, my queen, my queen,
my daughter, please after me.
My queen, my queen. I can't find my husband, my queen. I went into his room to greet him, but none of his things are there. His bags, shoes, clothes, in fact, everything.
You mean my son did not tell you he was going back to the UK? Oh, maybe because it was an emergency. It was this morning that I saw him rushing. What's going on? He said one of his classmates called him yesterday night and told him that he has to come back. So even myself, he did not tell me. So just relax, okay? It's nothing.
Wait, my queen. You mean my husband traveled back to the UK without letting me know? Why?
It's okay.
What have I done to him?
Like I said, it was an emergency. Please calm down. Your Majesty, but this is not good. Obiora is so mean. I don't like it. He should have notified his wife to be.
Oh, well, you know, it was a kind of emergency. Even I was told at about midnight. And then when, I actually instructed him to tell you and to tell his wife to be that he'll be traveling in the morning and all that. But, you know, he said, oh no, you guys are fast asleep and he wouldn't want to disturb your sleep. And I'm sure it was a skip of mine somehow. But he will call you. And,
Your Majesty, this is not fair. It's not fair. What have I done to him? It's not fair. No, he traveled without letting me know. Why?
No, you did nothing.
I believe he will call you. Don't worry.
He will call you.
It's not an emergency. I believe he will call, okay?
It could
Love,
be a
love.
slip of mind. It's okay.
Just relax, okay?
Princess.
Wait though. You mean the prince gave you this money? And this bead? And also told you the things you just said now?
Yes. Honestly, since last night he gave me all this, I have been so confused. I don't know what to make out of this. I don't.
Wait though. So you want to tell me that you don't know the meaning of this? You don't know the meaning of this thing?
I don't.
Anyways, count yourself lucky.
Lucky what? How do you mean lucky?
Choma, sometimes you're funny. So you don't know the meaning of this bead?
How am I supposed to know the meaning of this royal bead?
Okay, thank God you say this royal bead. Let me now tell you the meaning. This thing means that he has proposed to you. Like you're the future queen of this.
What are you talking about? What are you saying?
I know what I'm saying now.
No, please. What are you saying? Are you joking? Close your mouth.
My friend Choma will not be the future queen. The kitchen will not be my own. Do you know what it means?
Njideka, I hope you know that the prince has a fiancé.
I beg, that one is counterfeit, because this one is original. See the bead now.
Please, just keep it low. Please. What are you saying?
Joy killer.
What is going on here? What evil are you two planning?
And you, why are you looking so miserable? Oh, I get it. You are looking this miserable because the prince has traveled back to the UK. Aria, you thought your witchcraft would pin him down. It did not work for you. Chioma, is this not money? Chioma, are you okay? Where did you get this money from? Chioma, who gave it to you? Chimo. Is this not the royal bead? Chima, who gave you the royal bead? Okay. You don't only jahe, you started stealing. I'm sure you stole it from the prince. You stole from the prince. I will take it back to you. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Let me take that bead back to the I will blow you. I will blow you. Thief! Onyoshi! You stole the royal bead. Yep, Choma. That's royal bead. Means royal engagement. Ah! Choma, I know you stole that bead and the money, but I am coming for you. If I must hear this, I'm not fair. I will come to your room. That's not ended.
What is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on?
As I'm talking to you now, I'm confused. I don't even know what to do, Mama. Mama, do you know that since I moved into that palace as the prince's wife to be, Mama, he has never allowed me spend the night in his room or even touched me.
Chelu, he has not touched you. Chelu,
Mama, I don't know. That's why I said I'm confused. I don't know if I should go backward or to move forward. Mama, the worst part of it is that he has traveled back to the UK without letting me, his wife, to be know.
Hey!
Mama,
this is serious. Wait, but I remember you told me that he's still schooling in the United Kingdom. Okay? Maybe he has gone back to finish up his studies. When he's back, what I am thinking right now is, maybe he wants to surprise you. When he comes back, he comes with his kinsmen and, finish up everything about your traditional rites.
Mama, how can someone I called my husband to be traveled back to the United States without telling me his wife? Yes.
This is serious, oh.
Mama, I think I should quit this arrangement called marriage, because me, I'm tired. I can't continue.
Don't go there. If not, people will laugh at us, especially your father. You know everything. The best thing you ought to do here is to exercise patience. Patient dog, they say, eat the fattest bone. Just is a matter of time.
Mama, but how can someone I called my husband to be traveled back to the UK without telling me his wife? Mama, it's not fair now.
But you remember, you told me that he's still schooling in the United Kingdom. Maybe he has gone to finish up his studies and come back to pay your bride price with his kinsmen. He will finish up everything concerning your traditional marriage and traditional rights. Don't you think so?
Mama, are you sure?
That's what I feel, and I'm sure. Cheer up. Don't feel bad. You're very beautiful. Won't you eat something?
Mama, no, I need to go back to the palace.
You cannot. Don't say no to your mother. It's been long you ate my food. I did angara soup. I know you like egusi, but this time I did angara with apple.
Mama, you an apple.
Beautiful girl that likes eating apple.
Mama.
Let's go inside. So that you eat something.
Mama, you know my plan. Let's go.
So the prince has not touched my daughter. Is it that his odogu is not active or he doesn't know how to use it? Yeah. Is it television or cinema? Something you... Hey!
My lord, you're not watching. Just look at them. Look.
No.
Well, you see that artist the other day is quite flexible.
Your Highness, your water is here.
Chioma, where did you get that bead?
Somebody gave it to me.
Somebody gave it to you?
Yes.
And who could that be?
Yeah.
Chioma, do you know the meaning of that bead in your hands?
No, Your Highness.
Because as far as I know, I can remember, she's old. You know, I know that you're not from a royal family. Your parents are not from a royal family. So how come about the bead?
The Prince Obiora, he gave it to me.
My son gave it to you? Hey! Prince Obiora did what?
My king, calm down, Lolo. Calm down. Things are not done this way, okay? Come on. We'll talk about it later, okay? Chioma, it's okay. Right? Take the water with you. Calm down. Please take the water. Go with it. You see, I have to call my son to find out. Okay?
Hey, Your Majesty.
Yes, calm down.
Giving a common wedding, a royal bead.
Calm down.
Obiora will not kill me.
No, of course not.
Obiora will not kill me. Hey.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care.
What are you doing here all by yourself? Tamara, I am very worried. What is it this time? Have you noticed the royal bead Chuma is putting on?
I've noticed it, but it's a bead anybody working in the palace or with a chieftaincy title can wear. There is nothing there. What's the problem?
Oh! Amara, you like to upset me most times. How can you call yourself my friend and you don't see things from my own angle? So you don't know the meaning of royal beads? Let me tell you, since you are new to this kingdom, royal beads means engagement. The prince has engaged Choma to be his wife. And it's unfair. How can he do that to love it? He also gave her the sum of 200,000 naira to purchase whatever she wants for herself. To worsen it all, he told Choma about his traveling back to the UK before letting his parents know. He didn't even tell Lovett at all. See, why is he treating that innocent girl so bad? What? Do you want to tell me that the queen and the king have not been seeing that bead on Choma? Wait, I have also heard from the prince countless times saying he's not in love with Princess Lovett. I mean, how can he be this ruthless?
Then why are they still allowing Princess Lovett to stay in this house when they actually know the prince has engaged Chioma to be his wife?
Bah! Bah! That will never happen. I will not allow that to happen. Chioma cannot rule over me. For what? Who is she?
Do?
Huh? Huh?
What will you do? I cannot allow you. What will you do? Now you are Say it now. What will you do? Now mouth you get. My friend, let's go. Oh.
Your Majesty, I don't know why you're taking this serious matter very simple. Call our son. Let him explain to us his reason for giving the royal engagement bid to a commoner. A common maid. A low life. When he already has a wife to be. Lovett is there for him. Eh? What is wrong with that boy? See, I am going to take that bit off that low life's handle.
No.
I will do it myself.
No. Calm down. Lolo, Biko. I beg you in the name of the gods, calm down. You know what the tradition says about this. No one has a right to remove a royal bid that has been given to another person, except the giver. You understand this? Else, you and I will be fighting the gods of this land.
Your Majesty, if you see in this matter, I am ready to fight with the gods. I am going to disobey the gods. Let them fight me. In fact, call Obiora. Put a call to him. Let's hear from him first.
I'll call him. Okay. I need to deal with you my house. You go. That's Obia. Okay. It's ringing. It's ringing. Yeah. Hello, son. How are you? I'm fine. Your mother, she's here with me. She's all right, except that she is a little bit upset, you know. Yes. Oh, we saw the bead, the royal bead on the hands of Chioma the maiden. Yeah, the one I instructed to be serving you, when you came back. And your mom is upset about it, She's even threatening to remove it from her hand. What? You gave it to her? Are you saying she should not dare? Your mother, I mean. She dare not do such.
What?
Huh?
Is he warning me or what?
Talk to your mother.
Can I have that phone? Hello? What is wrong with you? How dare you? You mean you gave the royal engagement bid to a maiden? A commoner? Why? When you already have a wife to be? Okay, tell me now. How do you want that girl to feel if she sees that bid on that low life's hand? Why do you hate her so much? Why do you hate Lovett? You want to cause her heartbreak? Listen to me. You see that bid? I am going to take it off that stupid girl's hand. What is wrong with you? Hello? Obiora. Hello? Your Majesty.
He has cut the call, I know. You know your son. He doesn't want anybody to shout at him.
Your Majesty.
We'll take it easy. Take it easy. We'll handle it slowly, okay? So we don't make a mistake.
Your Majesty. Lovett is Obiora's wife, whether he likes it or not.
Of course, I agree with you totally.
What is wrong with him?
Obiora will marry Lovett. Sealed. There's no argument about that. But you see, we have to do it in a gentle way so that, we don't make mistakes. See, let me cancel. Don't let Lovett know about this bid, okay? So we don't have a heartbreak.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants.
Come in, the door is open. Come in!
My princess, Toshi. Toshi, what is it? Because I can't remember sending for you. What is it?
Yes, forgive me, my princess. I have something very important I would like to tell you. I want to tell you about the secret that has been happening in this palace. And it concerns you.
A secret happening in this palace and it concerns me.
Yes, my princess.
Tell me, what is it?
But first, you have to promise me that you will not disclose this to anybody.
If you don't want to tell me the secret, you get out.
My princess, can you please promise that you will not disclose this to anyone? It's important.
Toshi, talk now. I'm not going to tell anyone.
Promise. Mark you like this. I will know that you will not tell anyone.
Okay, I promise I won't tell anyone.
My princess, are you aware that the prince, your husband to be, gave Choma a royal bed before he went back to the UK?
A royal bed? What for? What does that mean?
It means engagement. The prince has proposed to Choma as his wife to be. Everybody in this palace knows about it. Even the king and the queen.
Wait. Where did you get that news from?
Talk to me! Hey, you look like a princess. My princess, don't tell me you are blind. Can't you see? Have you not been seeing a particular bead on Choma's hand? Take a good look at Choma. In fact, boy, let her come here, you will see it for yourself.
So what am I doing here?
Also,
no, what am I doing here?
Don't tell me you're planning to leave. Don't even go there, because my princess, listen, this is your husband's house. You belong here. You're the wife of the prince, so you have to stay and fight. I won't let that happen. I won't let Choma take what is yours. I have a plan. We should just do something so that Choma will live in shame. I need you to support me on this.
So what do you have in mind? Say something.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. Let's not forget that the world is turning around.
Choma, what is wrong with you? Because I don't understand you these days. What is wrong with you? This is not the Choma I used to know. Or Guinea.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Sometimes I ask myself, what is actually wrong with me? I don't know.
Are you sure someone is not after you?
Then who could that be? Who could that be? I'm not owing anybody. I'm not dragging anything with anyone. I haven't done anything wrong to anyone. So who could that be?
Then what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Because I'm not understanding. You're doing like something is possessing. The queen is angry at you. I know you know that. See, don't let this royal bead throw you off balance. So.
Dikeh, I know. If I tell you that this is not giving me great concern, then I am lying. I know if I continue like this, I might end up losing my job, and then Amara and Tochi will start laughing at me, which I don't want for myself. But sincerely, I can't help it. I feel like something is about to happen to me. I feel so strange, so cold.
Then what is it? Because me, I don't understand you. Honestly, I don't understand you. Maybe we should go and do praying and fasting, we should go and kabash so that this thing that is possessing you will leave you. Chum, I'm serious, I'm not joking. Let's go and kabash. Let's go now.
Go where?
It's not kitchen, I'm telling you, let's go. Now it's now prayer, let's go and pray.
You are not God who can change your destiny. You are not God who can change the hand of God.
Please come with the children.
I'm ready. You guys
come. Have you packed everything?
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
What about the pines I saw at the rope at the backyard? Mama, I've packed everything except this one I'm wearing. I've packed everything.
You have to go and check. This one that your mother is talking. Check very well. I don't want us to leave anything here. You know?
Yes, Papa.
Good. Let me go. I'm coming.
Okay, done.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels.
Your Majesty, Obiora called me this morning.
Oh, he did?
Yes.
He did. How is he?
He said he's alright.
Your Majesty, my queen. God. My queen, Your Majesty, my queen. Something terrible happened in my room. Someone sneaked into my room and stole my money. 100,000 naira, my queen. I'm not going to take it though. I'm not going to take this phone.
Your Majesty, this has never happened in this palace before.
What has happened?
Who used to enter your room?
It's Tochi and Chioma.
Then get someone to call them.
Don't worry, I'm going to do that myself. I'm coming.
My lord, we now have a thief in this palace.
No, let's not conclude so easily. We'll have to find out. Maybe she kept it in the wrong place.
Yeah, you're right. It's possible she forgot where she kept the money.
Your Majesty.
Where is Tochi and Chioma?
They went to the market.
What happened to the money she said she kept in her own bag?
Money. Yes, money. We don't know. Your Majesty, we don't know.
Are you sure you have checked, other places in the room?
I've checked everywhere.
You know what? You people should go to your room now. Our bags. Yes, your
Yes,
bags.
your bags, and including Choma and Tochi's bag.
Okay, my queen, thank you. Move! Your Majesty, if this is true, that means there is problem.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Having a thief in this palace, that means we are not safe.
But let's not. When they come back.
Your Majesty! My queen! See my money! What? See my money!
Where did you see this money?
From Choma's bag. I got this money from Choma's bag, my money. Choma's bag? Yes. So Choma is a thief?
No. Let's not so conclude easily. You know, perhaps there might be some misplacements here and there. But if she comes back and she does not admit, to this guilt, then everybody will have no option than to swear to an oath.
Beautiful. That is right.
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's okay.
Your Majesty, Choma is a thief. So that one is a thief.
No. I urge you, let's not conclude.
Thank you, my thank you.
Yeah. Don't conclude yet.
You know, all these people that look so calm.
Sorry. I don't see her like somebody that will take another person's thing. There must be some. Anyway, let them come back. If they come back and she does not admit taking the money, then we'll make them swear the oath, and that settles it.
Well, no problem. Let us wait for them to return. So what are you going to do now? Are you going to take the oath?
I have made up my mind to go with my family. Judeka, I don't belong here. Okay, fine. If I decide to stay back and take the oath just to prove my innocence, then what about the person that plotted this? The person is evil. The person can go to any length just to disgrace me.
Choma, I concur with you. Leaving this place, yes. Anything you have to do to save yourself from this evil planned against you, it's fine. You can go with your people. So, what are you going to do about this royal bid?
You know, when the prince gave me this gift, he didn't say anything about marriage. He didn't say he was proposing to me. He just gave it to me as a gift. But I don't want to bother myself over nothing. I think the best thing to do is to return it to the Igwe.
No, now. Choma, return what? The prince gave it to you. It's your property. So you returning it to Igwe is a hell fact. A no, capital no. Which one is your returning it to the Igwe? Did the prince give it to the Igwe? Prince gave it to you. He did not give it to the Igwe. No. I don't like the idea of giving it to the Igwe. See, let me tell you. You will go with this bid to wherever you're going to. When the prince returns, and if the gods of this land want you both to reunite, the prince will come and look for you. So, because you are going with the bid though.
I'm not even thinking towards that direction.
No problem. I will think for you. Go with the bid.
Toshi, there's a problem. A very big problem. You heard what the Igwe said about the oath taking, right? And you know that Choma is innocent. Okay, tell me. What will happen if the oath is taken and the oath catches you? And you mentioned me during your confession. You just ruined everything for me. Toshi, say something.
I think I have a way out. I'll meet with my mother's uncle. He's a powerful native doctor. I'll simply tell him to give me Ndabuyi. No matter the amount of oath I take, it can never catch me. Even if I take the oath 20 times, it will never catch me. Calm down. I told you I am Tochi, the master planner. Allow me to plan. Let me think. Relax. What I mean Tochi for what?
I don't want this to ruin my marriage with the prince. That's my own. I don't want it.
Your Majesty, if after this oath taking and Choma is found guilty, I will make sure I remove that royal bead from her hand before she leaves this palace.
Okay. If she is guilty, then we will now know what to do. But Lolo, my mind tells me that that girl is innocent.
Do you know that sometimes I'm surprised the way you talk? Yes! What is so special about that girl, Choma? The way you take sides when it comes to her issues. Is anything the matter? Let it not be that there's something you're not telling me. And it better not be what I am thinking. Because I will not take it.
Manokumu water. Isn't my talk straight and to the point? I only said that whatever we have to do will be after the oath taking. Huh? Is there any other thing I said?
Okay.
Oh, please, I want to get some rest, please.
Rest. But like I said, let it not be what I am thinking. Because you will tell me what is so special about this Choma that each time it comes to her matter, you will do. It's okay.
Why is it all the time? Choma. What is special about Choma? What is so special about her?
What is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on in Omona Kingdom? Rich doesn't care how the poor fares. Everybody Everybody's fighting
Chioma!
for right.
Chioma!
Doesn't care.
Chioma!
Oh, I don't even have strength to shout.
Everybody's fighting for right. Let's not forget that the world is
Why are you here? Are you Chioma? Where is Chioma?
Your Majesty, Chioma is not in the palace.
I don't understand.
I woke up this morning and didn't see her in the room. I thought she was somewhere in the palace and I searched for her, didn't see her. And her luggages are nowhere to be found.
Where did she go to?
Your Majesty, I don't know.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Igwe!
I said it. I knew it. That girl is a thief. She must have run away because of the oath taking. Oh, so Chioma is the one that took Lover's money after all. I told my husband that that girl is a thief. But he wouldn't listen. I told my husband he will not listen to me.
Okay.
What is going on here?
My lord, there is something Njideka here told me, and I would want her to open her mouth and say it to your ear. Njideka, Oya, talk.
Njideka, what did you tell my own queen?
Your Majesty, Chioma is nowhere to be found. I woke up this morning, didn't see her. I thought she was at the bathroom because she's usually the first person to bathe. I went to the bathroom, I didn't see her. Then we searched for her, we didn't see her. Even her luggages are nowhere to be found.
It's obvious. She ran away because of the oath taking. She's the one that stole Lover's money.
I mean, how, when, where, when did this happen?
My lord, when I told you that that girl is a thief, you refuse to understand.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Igwe!
Oh no!
Igwe!
What hurried you to my palace this morning?
Igwe, I came to ask you if you are aware that the Ezemba's family have left the kingdom. Yes, Your Majesty. They've gone.
How?
They just left this morning. I was going somewhere and I saw your palace maid, Chioma. She said, she told me that her people were going and she was going to go with them.
With the royal bead?
I don't know about the royal bead, my queen, but she's gone.
Oh. Guards! Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Run to Philly's house. Bring that girl called Chioma. Beat her, flog her mercilessly, drag her on the bare ground to this place.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now!
Yes, Your Majesty.
You see? I said it, that girl is good for nothing. A common thief. So she's the one that stole Lover's money. Eh? When I told you, did you believe me?
Oh no, please sit.
Children, who's here? Who's in this house? Who's children? I know you're hiding in there. Come out. If I get you with my hand, you'll be a dead man. Bring that guy called Chioma out. It's like there's nobody in this compound. She's not, it's not. Let's see. You send God there. It seems as if they have run away.
Let's go. We'll come back later, okay?
Are you sure that you search every nook and cranny?
Yes, Your Majesty. We searched everywhere thoroughly and we couldn't find any of them, including their properties.
Your Majesty, I told you I saw them with my eyes, living with their properties.
Hi. My only problem is that bid. That royal bid that Choma left with. I shouldn't have listened to my husband. I could have collected that bid myself. Oh my God.
But, Your Majesty, do you know the community they relocated to? We can send some men there to bring back the royal bids.
Well, I know that you don't enter a community like that, you know. And besides, I have thoroughly insulted the Igwe and his cabinets. And we don't have a good relationship at all. So it might be a bit difficult, you know. But you see, don't worry. That will be sorted out.
Okay. Why not send some people to humbly talk to Ufela and his brothers?
The Ufela I know will not listen to anybody because of the issues I have with them. But somehow we'll sort it out. We'll get around it, okay? Guards,
if you say so, Your Majesty.
Return to your positions.
What is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on in Omona Kingdom? No more peace, no more harmony.
Amazing God, amazing God, oh, you always come through for me. Amazing.
Hey! Thank God that the thief we have in this palace has left. And I am sure very soon her partner in crime will be joining her.
At least some people can now rest. Some people can now rest with their witchcraft, because I don't know why someone will be a witch, be useless, at the same time you are still stupid. A witch and a very stupid person to look for trouble where trouble is not looking for them. I don't know why some people will be planning something evil for their fellow human being. I pray that person died untimely.
Njideka, in Apuala, was I talking to you? Did I call your name?
I'm sure I did not mention Tochi's name here, so I wasn't talking to you either.
So why did you say I would die untimely? Njideka, you're wishing me death in this palace. Don't worry, Igwe must hear this.
Evil girl. Hold on, Chelo, in Aboke speed. Did I call your name? I did not mention your name when I said something. Oh, so you're the witch. You're confirming to me now that you're the witch. Tochi, so you're behind all the happenings in this palace. You think I don't know they're the one that planted that money inside Choma's bag? You want her to be disgraced out of this palace? But they don't shame you. She left peacefully. Change, because if you don't change, Nemesis will catch up with you.
Nemesis will catch up with your own generation, stupid girl. More Nemesis will catch up with. You are stupid. I think something is wrong with your head. Let me advise you. Take this as a friendly advice. Stay off my path. And if I don't, you will see my wrath. And I'm sure you will not enjoy it.
Look at me. Name eyeball to eyeball. Do I look like Choma? I am not Choma. I can never be Choma. Because if you mess up with me, I
see. Do I blame you? No. Do not worry. Because I, Tochi, the master planner, will plan your future for you.
You cannot do nothing. Emmanuel.
Njideka Koya.
Emmanuel. My name is Njideka. Try me and I will mess you up. You think I'm Choma.
What is happening?
Amazing God. Amazing God.
What is going on in Omona?
I called to say thank you for everything you've done for me.
For securing my man. I don't know what I would have done if Chioma still stays in this palace and the prince comes back. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome, my princess. I am glad that you are happy.
Of course.
At least our plan worked. And that shows that I am the master planner.
Indeed, you are a master planner. I believe. To show my appreciation. Take this 50,000 naira, buy whatever you want to buy.
Take. All this for me?
All this for you. And there is more if you keep being the good girl you are.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
All this for me?
All this for you.
Oh, you're too much.
All this for you.
Hey.
And there is more.
I am a good girl. In fact, anything you want me to do, just tell me, any plan at all. If you have problem with anybody in this palace or outside the palace, just let me know. Tochi will take care of it. Tochi, your handle, yeah. My princess, thank you. Even if you want me to set anybody up, I can do that though.
For now, I'm good with everybody. Yes.
No problem.
One more thing. I don't want to hear this from anybody. Let it be a secret between us.
Yes, ma'am. Even if you want me to frame anybody, I can still frame anybody.
Very important.
Yes,
a secret. Please.
Yes, my princess. Am I mad?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Let me go now. This morning, saver. Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
Ichebu, I want to officially welcome all of you into my kingdom. For now, I will have to ask one of my Ichies to show you around the palace. Until we were able to perform a ritual that will integrate you into the kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness. You see, I always say it, and I'm still saying it, that you're a good man.
Yes.
Everyone knows that you're a good man. And my prayer for you is that you will live long.
You say...
You are the lion, though. Thank you so much. You are a good man, and may the gods of Ebunife Kingdom continue to guide you, and you will live long.
You say...
For once, somebody is having a good sleep in this Ebunife community. Such a wonderful and peaceful place. Not that Igwe that will not allow us to drink water and keep cup. Igwe na-enye nsogbu. Ekemma o. Can he mean? Does it mean that this woman is still sleeping? Ekemma.
Good morning.
Good morning. I disturb your wonderful sleep. Look at the time. How about the children? Are they still sleeping?
Daddy and
Amobi. Ngozi. Chioma.
Ma, you are right. This place is fine and relaxed.
Good morning.
Good morning. So you can teta.
Papa, good morning.
Hey.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning. You people are still sleeping by this time of the day. Huh? Anyway, Amobi.
Yes, Papa.
How did you see this place?
Papa, I like this place.
You like it?
Yes, Papa.
Ngozi, how about you?
Papa Maka.
Choma,
Uncle.
what about you?
Uncle, the place is just there.
Meaning you don't like it or what?
Uncle, it's fine. Okay. It's okay.
Anyway, keep that explanation to yourself. Go to the kitchen, prepare what we're going to eat this morning. Huh? And you, Amobi, get my dirty clothes and wash them clean. Ngozi, because make sure that you sweep the whole of this compound and keep them very clean. Huh? Come on. I want to go and see my brothers, Obiako and Okonta. Do you want to go with me?
No, don't worry. I'll go and see them later. My regards goes to them.
So what? I can't go like this. Let me go inside and put on something better. Huh?
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. Let's not forget that the world is turning around.
Sister Choma, what is the matter? Ever since we relocated to this community, you have been like this. It's like you don't like this place. I like here.
Ngozi, my mood has nothing to do with this community or relocating to this community. Personally, I feel that the people of this community are all nice. So, it's completely out of it.
So what is the problem? You don't look happy.
I miss my friend in the palace, Njideka. And then there is another maiden. Her name is Tochi. She has never really liked me. And something happened in the palace before I came down here. I'm beginning to think that maybe she plotted everything. Honestly. Like, I don't know why people can be this mean and heartless to another human being.
Is that why you are like this? Please, it's too early, cheer up. The people you are killing yourself for, they are somewhere enjoying themselves. And you are here disturbing yourself. Please, Sister Choma, cheer up. Stop it.
One thing I know for sure is that the wicked will never go unpunished.
So shall it be. Amen. Cheer up.
Anyway, it's fine. It's okay. Thank you very much for your concern.
I'm happy you are happy.
Oh yeah, go and finish up. You know how Papa can be.
Okay. Don't take hold. I don't want you to sit like this again.
Nobody have right to deprive me of my destiny.
I'm even coming to your house.
That is why we are here. We are here already.
Okay.
Let us.
Let's sit. Huh? What a coincidence.
Ishiufe, we came to see you so that we can discuss important matters.
What a coincidence. Like I said before, I was even coming to your own house so that we have some discussion. We
are here already. So let's discuss.
Okay.
If that is the case, Ishia, I suggest we go and see Igwe Ikenga and plead with him so that he can perform the rituals and sacrifice to integrate us into this community, as well as looking for a good woman to join.
That is I think you have a point here. Yes, meaning. But at the same time, I will suggest as well that we go to him and appreciate him for the one he has done. You know, we are total strangers. Do you know him from anywhere? Is he our brother? But he just accepted us into this community just like that. So I will suggest that we go there with something. Because I na-ekwu okwu na eto nwa anya akede. Nke ayo la yo megie, anyị kene ye, anya yokwazi ọzọ.
Ah, de kwamba. Ka ikwu dị ezigbo.
Eziokwu dị n'ihe ikwu.
So from there now we'll be able to chip in nke ikwulu now. But ka ajegudi there to just say thank you for the one he has done. Eko no se fear.
Ọ dị ezigbo mkpa.
Eziokwu ka ikwu. Eziokwu dị n'ihe ikwu.
Thank you.
It's a welcome development.
So which one? Oh, we have to go there first to show appreciation.
We have to do that as soon as possible.
Your Highness, my brothers and I, we're here to appreciate you for the shelter. Because it is not easy. You see, welcoming a total stranger into your kingdom, it is not an easy thing. We appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
And you will take us the way you see us. We have this. This is a token we came with. And other things that we have already given to the guards. Can manage and kiss well fine. Thank you so much.
It's your friend.
Your Highness.
I was not expecting any kind of gratification from you. You and your brothers are nice people.
Thank you.
I've been watching you. I'm only thinking of a day that we are going to perform the rituals so that we can officially integrate you into the community.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
But now that you've come with all this, what can I say? Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
You're welcome, sir. You see, you have said it all. I was about saying it too. We're pleading so that the rituals will take place to enable us become the indigene of Ekunife and also join one of the goods Omona in this kingdom. Because we cannot live alone. I get Bino Sonson.
I've heard you.
Thank you.
I've heard you. For the ritual sacrifice, that will be at my own discretion. But for Omona, I will permit you to choose any Omona of your choice. I will assign that.
You said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Do you notice anything on John?
I don't understand. Something like what?
No, I did not notice any bead on her hand. That bead can only be connected to royalty. Either that the prince has anything to do with you, that you are betrothed in the royal family, or that you have anything to do with the royal, has anything to do with royalty. I didn't know you will not. Call her now.
Where is she? Where is she?
She's inside the house.
Okay, call her for me.
Chioma. Chioma. Come on. Come. Nai wants to talk to you. Nai, here she is.
Yes, I asked her to call you.
Okay.
Who gave you this?
Oh, this is Prince Obiora. Prince Obiora gave it to me before he traveled back to UK.
Obiora gave you this bead? How? I hope you know the meaning of this bead.
No, I don't. He just gave it to me. And in his word, he said I should promise him that I will never take it off. And I should also promise him that I will remain like this for him till he comes back.
Prince Obiora said all that to you?
Even a maiden in the palace, Njideka, my friend, told me that this bead signifies proposal. And I tried to shut that out because the prince already has someone that he wants to get married to.
This thing you are saying is not ordinary, my daughter. Hi. This is good. Is Igwe and Lolo, are they aware of this bead?
Yes, they saw it and they were really, really mad at me. They were so angry. I don't know.
Wait, Njideka was right. That Njideka. This is not just an ordinary bead.
Uncle, I don't understand. The prince already has someone he wants to get married to.
It's okay, no problem. You can go.
Okay.
My dear, you don't need to bother yourself about it.
I like it.
Don't bother yourself. It's something good. Happy.
Love it.
Papa.
I called you here to talk to you. Thank God your mother is here to hear what I want to tell you. I heard that the prince, the man you called your husband to be, has abandoned you and traveled back to London.
Also.
Now let me ask you, what are you still doing there? Eh? What are you still doing there? Why do you want to bring shame to this family? Eh? Now let me tell you. You see this thing you are doing, you called marriage, it will not work. That place we are going, there's no road. This marriage will not work. It will not work. What are you doing there? Woman, talk to your daughter. Talk to your daughter. Talk to Lovett. Over everything, talk to your daughter. To avoid crying, had I know. Don't say I didn't warn you. Okay.
Papa, why are you saying this now? I want to know. Why are you wishing me bad luck in my marriage?
Woman, I wish you bad luck.
I know from day one you don't like my marriage with a prince. What have I done to you, Papa? Why don't you like my happiness? Mama, are you sure this man here is my father?
Talk to your husband though. Talk to your husband. I'm losing it though. I'm going to bust though.
It's okay. Let me tell you. Don't mind your father. He's only being jealous. And you Nani Bekwe can beg you. Sometimes I used to be very surprised the way you talk and the kind of things that comes out from your mouth. Who told you that the prince has abandoned our daughter? Mama Jukwamo. Who told you that? The person did not tell you that he went back to United Kingdom to finish his studies so that he will come back and perform every traditional rites on her head. That is it. Who told you? Who told you? You only heard that he has traveled back to United Kingdom. In your mind, he has abandoned your daughter because that's what you planned originally, for him to abandon her. It will not work. God forbid.
Let me ask you, this nonsense you just vomited, Nana, who told you that?
I did not vomit any nonsense. The queen told me. She told me and I believe her 100%.
You believed her?
Yes.
You believed her?
Yes.
See, let me tell you something. If something goes wrong in this whole thing, don't say I didn't warn you.
God forbid.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Nothing will go wrong.
Amen. Amen.
Nothing will go wrong. And you will not come to warn me because nothing will go wrong.
Amen.
Everything will work out as planned.
Amen.
You don't know how God
Mama.
works. So you will be the one to say, hey, yeah, if I had known, I would have supported my daughter's marriage. You think this whole thing that is happening
Please, I am here to take fresh air. Can you people allow me?
Papa,
You are
take fresh
polluting
air.
the whole. You are polluting the whole place.
Who is blocking you? When you called for this meeting, did you not remember that you will sit here to take fresh air? Now the meeting is over. You want to push us out. We are going nowhere.
See space, take fresh air, see space.
Lovett, you take your mother out of this place. I am taking the fresh air.
We are taking fresh air too. Mama,
You are taking fresh air.
Yes,
Then keep
we are
quiet.
taking it now.
Keep quiet.
We are taking fresh and.
My dear, back to what we were saying. Very soon, I will be. You become the queen of this kingdom. You will rule something.
Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. Let's not forget that.
My daughter, is everything alright? I've not seen you since morning. Is everything alright?
Oh, my queen, I'm worried and confused.
Worried?
Yes.
You are worried and confused?
Yes.
Talk to me. What is the matter?
Since the prince, my husband-to-be, traveled back to the UK, I've not heard from him. He has not called me. My queen, is it right? Am I wasting my time here? Will this marriage work? I'm afraid.
You don't have to be afraid. You have nothing to worry about, okay? The marriage will work. Okay? Prince is my son and I know he is going through some stress due to his schooling over there. He is doing his finals in the university. I know schooling abroad is not like this country where you can get the lecturer, bribe him, and he will give you pass mark. But over there, you have to sweat it out. You need to work hard before you pass your papers. So my darling, you have nothing to worry about, okay? The marriage will work, I assure you.
I'm asking, my queen, because I'm confused. If this marriage didn't work out, I will kill myself. I can't stand the shame. Not after boasting to my friends that I will soon marry the prince.
No, my daughter. You don't have to talk like that. The marriage will work. Okay? Relax. You don't have anything to worry about. The prince is my son. If I tell him what to do, he will have no choice than to obey my orders. Okay? Relax.
But I heard he gave that low-class palace maid in Chioma an engagement royal bid. What does that mean?
Chioma?
Yes.
Who is Chioma? Oh, the one that had relocated to another Kingdom, she's gone and gone forever, okay? Don't worry yourself, okay?
So you are telling me that the prince is mine?
Yours forever, baby. Cheer up! Smile for me.
Thank you so much, my queen.
My darling.
Nice.
Your Majesty, you need to call our son and ask him some questions.
Why do you say this? Is there any problem?
Yes, my lord. There is a very big problem. I was just coming out from Lovette's room. She was very angry and confused. I asked why. She told me that ever since our son returned back to the UK, that he has never checked on her or called her on phone, which is very wrong. Yes, she went ahead to say that she's afraid if this marriage is going to work. Yes, but one thing that she said that I'm afraid of is this. She made me to understand that if this marriage fails, that she is not going to live with it. That she will make sure she kills herself. Oh. But I was able to calm her down and give her assurance that she has nothing to worry about.
Then in that case, I should call my son.
Go ahead, please. Oh. Call him. Talk some sense into him, please.
Hello, my son. How are you? Oh, we are fine. I'm fine. Your mother, she's here with me. Yeah, she's fine. She's all right. Son, there's a reason I called you. Your wife-to-be, the princess, Lovett, she complained bitterly that you have not spoken to her since you left for the UK. Yeah, I know where you're going to, son. She's not yet your wife. I know. Are you not my son? Yes, but she is your wife to be. Okay, I know what to do. All right? I will send the Onowu and some cabinet members to her father's house to pay the bride price. Eh? So that when you come, we can now do the other traditional things, you know, and then you take her home as a wife. What? Well, I have told you that you will get married to Lovett.
I don't want any argument about this. All right? This is a royal decree.
What did he say?
Oh, don't worry, I'll handle it.
Calm down. I'll handle it. Yes, send some elders, the Onowu and some elders to the girl's father's house, and then we'll pick it up from there. It's okay. I'll handle it. I'll handle it.
Sorry, afternoon. My name is Mezie. I'm from this community. Please, what's your name?
My name is Chioma Okeze.
Chioma, are you new? Because I haven't set my eyes on you, or have you been around, or what?
We are strangers here.
Oh, that's nice. Chioma, if you don't mind, I will need us to talk. I need to talk privately.
Give me your hand.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, let's go.
No. Choma, excuse me. Let me talk to you.
Please, allow me to go. You're wearing white, so please come out. Sorry.
Choma.
My son, what do you say is that's your name again?
My name is Chemezi Okonkwo.
Mm.
Yes, I'm from this community.
Oh, you are from this community?
Yes.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You are welcome once again.
Yes, I am here. I brought this drink for you. Yesterday, I saw your daughter, Chioma, on her way with her sister. So I spoke with her, but I don't have enough time to conclude with her. So I find my way here to see her parents, so that I can make my intentions known to you people.
Your intentions, which is
Sir, my intention is this. Chioma is, with what I saw yesterday, Chioma is a well-trained girl. And me looking at how beautiful she is, she fits into the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. So I say, let me come official to come and make my intention known to you and the entire family.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you.
And like you people discussed yesterday, like what my daughter told you, we're new in this community. We're just new. But that does not stop her from getting married to you. No, it will not. At all. But the issue here now is, she is the one that will make the final decision. But I promise you, I will talk to her. And after talking with her, I will get back to you.
I will appreciate that. Please, you will help me plead with her to understand me.
It's a bad error.
We appreciate.
Good.
We will have this.
Yes.
Now I will be on my way.
Yes. Don't worry, you don't have problem. I will go in there, talk with her. After discussing with her, I will get back to you.
All right.
You can call my
Have a nice day.
Hey, wow, Hi. Mama yakwa.
According to what I told you on the phone, we, the elders and Igwe in council, have come to do what tradition demands, to pay for your daughter's bride price. Here are the drinks. Ichie, wakosime.
Oh no. Honestly, I am disappointed at you. At times, I used to ask myself, why did our Igwe make you don't know of this community? Let me also ask you, this way you and the Ichioji came to my house to marry my daughter or pay my daughter's bride price, is it our customs and tradition? Is it our customs and tradition? Even if Igwe or Prince or whoever want to marry my daughter, things should be done in a proper way. Now let me ask you, where is that place that want to marry my daughter? Where is he?
Ichie Ibekwe, you and I know that the priest has traveled back to UK for studies. Or do you expect him to come all the way from UK and pay huge amount of money for aeroplane just to come and marry your daughter? Things are not done that way. We are here to represent him.
Oh no.
Or that the more can you fuck the public. Stop turning the truth upside down. You are an elder. You are the owner of this community. Stop turning the truth upside down. Let me ask you, is it today my daughter moved into that palace? Okay, you say Prince has moved, traveled back to UK or London, whatever you call it. Where was the Prince all this while? Because if I can remember, my daughter has stayed in that palace for 2 months or 3 months. And hold it, I'm not done. I'm not done. Prince has stayed with my daughter in that palace for 3 months. What stopped the prince from coming to this place to do the needful, pay the price, or ask for my daughter's side the marriage? Now you are giving me a excuse that the prince has traveled. How can he spend money for a flight or whatever? Did my daughter not worth it? Even if a prince will hire a ship from London to this place, my daughter worth it because she's a human being. Do you know what our children will be tomorrow?
Wait.
In fact, Oji, oh no, I think this discussion is over. You people can go. Oji, I said this discussion is over. Leave my house. Carry all this nonsense or whatever. Look at the one she I'm on nobody. Couldn't you maybe allow that wine? Look at it. This discussion is over. Leave my house.
Are you asking us out of your house?
Do I have water in my mouth when I said it?
You said.
Oji, I said discussion over. Get out of my house.
And I should leave your house.
Get out. Get out. Carry all this nonsense you came with.
You said that I should leave your house.
Mapia copy work with her. Mapia copy work with her.
How come I call me Dime without email?
Yeah, one will say you. Or Dime. You see your life. You are now referring my daughter as EU.
Mom.
Obiora,
Mom.
why did you behave like that to Lovett?
What did I do?
What stupid attitude was that?
Mom, listen, I just got back. Give me some break.
Obiora, listen to me and listen good. You see, this time around, we have to be reasonable. Yes, I would not want what happened before to repeat itself again.
Mom, listen, can you leave my room, please?
I will do that. But you have to do this. Listen to me and do what I just told you.
Mom, listen.
Be reasonable, I said. That girl has endured a lot. She has been in this palace waiting for you patiently.
Mom, can you leave my room? I just got back.
I said be reasonable. Do not allow what happened before to repeat itself again because I will not take it from you. Obiora, it's okay.
I know where my heart is.